Drones are transforming the landscape of security for power plants and critical infrastructure. These small, agile aircraft can easily bypass traditional fences and barriers, creating new risks for the nation's electric grid and essential energy assets. As drone activity increases near these vital sites, operators face growing challenges in maintaining secure, uninterrupted operations. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, controls United States airspace, but most utility sites are not automatically designated as restricted. This means that unless a facility is a weapons-related nuclear site, drones may legally fly nearby. As a result, conventional energy infrastructure remains vulnerable under federal rules, highlighting a significant security gap for operators of power plants and substations. To address this gap, many states have enacted laws criminalizing unauthorized drone flights over critical facilities. States like New Jersey, Louisiana, Florida, and Tennessee have specific statutes that restrict or prohibit drone flights above power plants. These laws provide real legal consequences, including fines or arrest, even if the FAA would otherwise permit the flight, giving local law enforcement the authority to act. Since private entities cannot jam or disable drones, the focus shifts to detection and documentation. Legally authorized detection systems, such as those using the FAA's remote ID rule or radio frequency spectrum sensing, help operators identify both authorized and unauthorized drones in real time. Detection technologies ensure comprehensive coverage, allowing security teams to pinpoint drone and pilot locations quickly and accurately. When a drone is detected, security personnel should immediately document the incident, gather evidence, and coordinate with law enforcement. Proper documentation, including time, altitude, drone type, and pilot location, is essential for prosecution under state statutes and for reporting to federal agencies if needed. In states without specific drone laws, operators should enforce property restrictions, document incidents thoroughly, and advocate for stronger legislation to protect critical infrastructure from aerial threats.